This is a room tour for the Fontainebleau, Miami Beach. I stayed in room 31012. 3 stands for the Sorrento Tower, and I was on the 10th floor and in the 12th room. The bathroom is a beautiful marble. It has a jetted tub, very quiet and soothing. There is also a lookout in the bathroom onto the ocean. And this is the Sorrento Oceanfront Junior Suite. It does not have a kitchen, but it has a direct oceanfront. This property is absolutely beautiful with 11 different pools on the property. It's absolutely massive. Here's a view of their lovely spa. A lot of things were closed due to COVID.